Looking for a delicious treat this Christmas? Just in a few days, let's blend something healthy, tasty, and colorful with red, white, and green layers. This festive smoothie is a treat your body will thank you for. So let's get blended. For red color, I have here strawberries, beetroots, avocado for the green, and for the white, I'm going to be using banana with yogurt. So let's start with the red. These fruits are already washed, properly cleaned, and ready to use. So make sure you wash the fruit before you use. Soak in salt or vinegar for about 10 to 15 minutes. Here I'm peeling the beetroot. I'll be combining with the strawberries to make my red smoothie for the Christmas day. And apart from strawberries, you can combine other fruits with beetroot to get your red color, like raspberry, cherries, cranberries, and the red grapes. You can combine with your beetroot to get this red color. You can see how beautiful it looks. So red. Blend to smooth and do not add lots of water to have good consistency. You can see the consistency of this red one. Let's move on to the white color. We're using yogurt and soft banana to achieve a nice cream color. And you can also use coconut flesh, pears, apples, dragon fruits instead of banana and yogurt. It will give you a nice cream color as well. Blend to smooth and you have a nice cream Christmas theme. You can see how nice it looks. That's the consistency. I didn't add any water, just the yogurt and banana. You have to be careful adding water. Once it's too watery, it will be difficult to layer and it will affect the outcome of the juice. Now it's time for the green theme. And in this video, I had a challenge with my avocado. It's scarce and I couldn't get the ripe one, so I had to buy and keep for about 3 days. I thought it was soft enough, but it wasn't. I had a challenge and I had to make a quick decision, a quick call, and then my spinach and the banana was delivered. And I was able to get that nice green Christmas theme. You can see the combination of avocado, spinach, and banana with few drops of lemon. So other options for this color is kiwi, green apple, avocado, green grapes, and also cucumber. Be careful of the consistency also. It has to be thick to get a right layer. You can see how nice it looks. I love this. I didn't even think about it before. I just wanted to use avocado and achieve the green, but the avocado wasn't cooperating, so I had to include those other ones, and it came out so nice. How Christmas smoothie. With the head of your spoon, you can place in layer by layer all the smoothie. I went in with the red, the white, and then the green. You see how beautiful this looks? It tastes so great. You can only imagine the taste, so you need to make yours. So enjoy the goodness of this smoothie. Garnish with strawberry and cinnamon stick. See how nice it's looking? Merry Christmas. See you home. I have a little bonus for you with the remains of the smoothie. I made some popsicle for my kids. It's so lovely. Just get your popsicle mold and pour in layers all the smoothie and put in the freezer for about 5 hours or 6 hours. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so right now. Like the video, share and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance.